Welcome to Black Alloy. What you're viewing here is Black Alloy's new model. It's our model 350 in an 1.5-inch stroke. It has considerably more thrust than, it's more than double the thrust of our standard 150-250 series drill unit. It has over 400 pounds of thrust. This happens to have a 1 horsepower at 1725 RPM motor. And what we're testing today is a flow drill. And a flow drill is, it's new for us. And what it is it has a conical profile, which means it's a taper, and it has, it's also lobed. It has 4 lobes, and it's not cutting the hole. You're actually basically, with enough thrust and horsepower, you're actually going in, and at first it's a matter of the taper, and you're almost piercing a hole, and then you're generating heat. And what that heat does is actually allows you to have the material almost flow, and what it does, it increases the wall, almost like you when installing a bushing, which would increase the wall thickness. What this is being used for is the customer is going to install a tapped hole into this, and what we were doing before was we supplied to this same customer before, and they were actually basically then cutting the thread in a thin wall extrusion, and we had to put a 1/4-28 tapped hole in it. And now what we've decided to do, because this is actually increasing the thread strength and the pull-out strength of the bolt once it's installed, is that we can go to a thin wall extrusion and use the flow drill, which increases that. And it increases the thread pull-out from about 600 pounds to 900 pounds, which is considerable. So just watch how this actually does the application. Our setup is a little crude, but it's functional. And it's pretty much as simple as that. And I'll take this out just to show you that you end up with a little boss on the top. See, it actually, the material, it actually flows back up, and I don't know if you could see this on the inner wall of it. So you're actually increasing the wall thickness of the material, and that's what actually gives you that additional thread strength. If you have any questions or see something here you're interested in, please give us a call. It's 201-475-9300. Thank you for viewing.